Today I'm going to be giving a rundown of Inkscape. Basically, we're going to go through like the main features of the software. So if you want to, like, why would I use it? Would the answer would be like if I am creating, manipulating the image, if I am creating a logo, things like that. Uh, you would go to File and click New in order to open a new image, a new file or a new document. I'm gonna just close the previous one. Okay, uh, going through this menu bar, we have our regular stuff: file, edit, view, layer, object, path, text, filters, extension, and help. Okay, so as I said, in the file you can save it, export it, create a new document, stuff like that. On the left hand side, you have like the different tools, different, like, most of the things are gonna be created using these tools. Like basically they have the square, or it's called a rectangle or squares. So different kind of rectangles and squares are gonna be created using this one. Then they have the circle, ellipses, arcs, they all are gonna be done using these ones. So if you are wondering how you would do it, it's like if I start dragging it, right? So what I do here is, so if you want to make sure that you are not putting an ellipse and it is circle for sure, so what I would do is, like, I will press Control and Shift, and then I will enlarge it, and I will be sure that, yeah, this is gonna be, actually you will start and then you would do Control and Shift, and it would be a circle. Then you can put these ones, like have another one, like it's a star or a polygon. So you can see this bar just below the topmost bar. So we have this star or polygon, and we have all the properties. How many corners do you want? 6, 7, 8, and it's gonna make 8 polygons for you. And then we have rounded or not rounded, or how much you wanna round it, how much you wanna randomize it, stuff like that. And similarly over here for the star, we have a lot of things. I'm gonna make it 0. So don't wanna round it right now. Oops. Wanna make this one 0 too. And how many? I think the star looks like that. So this is the star. Then we have a 3D object. You can make a 3D object. You can make a spiral. You can make, what is this one? This is a freehand line. So if you wanna draw some lines, actually, freehand line is P, right? So what happens is, like, because we over here, we will go through this one too. So we can actually fill or stroke, right? So if you do that, we have set this one fill, and this is like we are telling him to fill it with a color whatever is selected. So that's the reason it is like it is filling it up. Otherwise, if you have no fill, it will just be a line. The other one is a calligraphic or a brush stroke, right? This is like a calligraphic or a brush stroke. If you wanna say ink, wow, wow, scape. This is not bad. Yep, so that's how you would do a calligraphic one. And you have the width, thinning, mass, angle, fixation, caps, tremor, and wiggle. So you have all those things. And then our favorite one, like text editor, right? So you can actually write the text here, and then oops, this is too much. Oops, didn't fit in that one. Let's just make it 11. Apply. 11 is too small. Let's just make it 24. Good. So Inkscape. Let's just put it another one. Inkscape video. Okay, so we have that one here, and then again we have a create and edit graphics. We can do that one, and create and edit meshes, and then pick color image. You can pick a color image and fill it up. So you can, this is a color picker, and then you can we're gonna go through like filling it up with the fill the bounded region, and you go here, and then you can do these kind of things. Nice. Okay, then tweak object by sculpting and painting. Okay, we have this one, and then this should be the display copies. Okay, so whatever you have, like whatever you picked, it's gonna make copies of that, and it would be like spraying it. Not bad. And again we have eraser. Erase objects or paths. Right, so you would do this is eraser, right? Erase objects or paths. Shift E is gonna be if we want to select that. Okay. So it does have more modes. Cut out from paths and shapes. It has clip from objects, and it has delete object touched by the eraser. So you have different ones. So if I select that, oh, so I got it. What about this one? Okay, so basically you have to select that. So if I select it, now one more time, this one, and then if I go to the eraser, and then I can delete it. Gotcha. Okay, it was new for me. So basically, in order to use the eraser, what you would do is like you would actually go to you will select the uh, object, and then you will select the eraser, and based on what you have selected, you want to just delete it, or you want to delete, like if you hover on it, it will tell you what exactly it is supposed to do. Cut out from paths and shapes, and then it's going to be clipped from the objects. Then we have this create diagram connector, and measure objects, and then zoom in and zoom out, and create an edit document page. Wow. uh, we're just going we're just going to be doing the rundown. I will go through and cover most of these ones in different videos. So over here you can actually have select an object, sorry, select a color, and for before that, oops, I'm gonna select what I am gonna be doing. like what I'm gonna be putting in, and then you can actually select it over here, and whichever color you would be selecting, it will be putting that object here. Over here, like whenever you have selected something or you are putting something in, you can fill it up with no fill, so it's not gonna fill it, with a flat color, with a gradient, a radial gradient, mesh gradient, pattern, swatch. Okay, these are the things, and then you can go to the text and select the different text in there. Over here, we will cover the ones like on the right hand side in another video.